This is DOOGEE T10, and today I will demonstrate that you can confirm the authenticity of this tablet. So to begin with, make sure that you have the tablet itself and the packaging that it came in. Then open Settings, enter the About Tablet category, then go for Model, and at the Model and Hardware page, you can see the serial number. So now you gotta take the packaging that you have, and usually the back side of this packaging will have the sticker with all kinds of important numbers, specifications, and certifications. But the thing that we are most interested in is the serial number. So compare the SN or serial number that is over here with the one that you have over there, and as long as, or rather, if they are identical, that means that you can rest assured, or be rest assured, whatever, that your tablet is indeed 100% original. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.